And there we go, 2 hanging baskets ready to go. I'll put them outside for now, and we'll just sort of show you what else we've got going. Now, we had a little bit of problem the other day. We've got a cold frame here, and I left the top off, and it got down to -2 last week, and it's damaged a few of the beans here. You can see the leaves are all curled up, and they're not happy, but I think they're going to pick up again. Still got growing tips coming, which is good. This one it didn't like. Look at that poor thing there, look. But there you go. I mean, that's actually a courgette, and yet the one next to it hasn't got touched at all, which is really quite good. Got a few chrysanthemum cuttings coming on. We'll be taking these off shortly. A bit of Almanasia left over from last year. You can see where the frost has got to that one. That's not looking too happy, but I think it will spring back. Bit of a fuchsia from last year. We're growing some nice smelly sweet peas we are this year. Look at these, look. Nice ones. Hopefully they'll give us a nice scent later on. Anyway, quick tour of the greenhouse, and you'll see things are really marching on at the moment. I bought myself some tomato sacks. I actually purchased 3 of those plastic containers to put the tomatoes in. It's supposed to give you a secondary root system so you get better tomatoes. We're going to try that this year, but that's for later on. So obviously into the old greenhouse, as you can see, got some onions there. This is a geranium left over from last year. Lettuce are coming on well. Nothing on the onions as yet, but they'll be coming up. Dahlias, yep, they'll be okay. Still got the shoots coming over the back on that box. This is the Italian garlic, as you can see, nice strong shoots there. Very good. Then we've got our red sun shallots. Now they're little beauties there, aren't they? Not bad at all. And we've got another little tray of red shallots and some purple white garlic. They're doing really well. And some more, this is Italian garlic, let's have a look. No, it's not, it's Cristo garlic, so they're doing okay. And if you pop aside, we've got some patty pans. They're really quite nice actually, done in the oven. And we've got some more courgettes growing. And I forgot what that is actually. Oh, some more courgettes. Boogie Nights, that's chrysanthemums, sort of a dark blue and white. And we've got some broccoli growing and some curly kale. They're nice strong plants, doing really well. Salad leaf, just a general selection. You know, everything sort of comes up with that, so that's just a cut and come again, or pick and come again salad type stuff. Got some more Webb's lettuce coming on there, some Welsh onions. Oh, looks like it's coming up there. There we go. Just about to start. Runner beans, Lady Di. Can't see anything coming there. There's a bean. Nothing happening to that yet. And that was just a general selection of beans we left over. 2 or 3 different varieties, and they are actually starting to shoot away, which is quite good. This is a squash, Crown Prince. Can't see anything happening on that just yet. Supposed to be really special seeds in, but I don't know what's happened with that. Okay, we've got another couple of hanging baskets underneath the bench here. They seem to be doing really quite well. Got a couple of fuchsias to pot into them, but the actual, I think that's verbena that is, it's not really frost hardy, so it can't go out just yet. Growing some marigolds, companion planting, and some more marigolds, and you can see they're actually coming up quite well there. One there and one there, and another one there, another one down there. But we have a companion planting for that, which is good. These are doing alright. These are what came out of the hanging baskets, and just potted them on, give them a really serious trim, and in a few months you could take some more cuttings for them, or just plant them out and they'll give us a nice little flowering session. Got some tomatoes romping away here. I'm going to put these into the tomato sacks we saw out there, so they're doing really well at the moment. Can't see sign of any pests or anything, which is handy. So if we just spare them around to the other side. Nothing happening with the Red Baron onion seeds at the moment, but they've only been in a little while. Okay, we've got some French beans in here. Still nothing happening. Ordinary peas. I mean, you can't go wrong with peas. I mean, they they sprout like weeds, don't they? You could actually just cut them off as they are there and eat the tops as like an alfalfa type thing or something like that. What they call, I can't remember what they call them now. But you could do that, and then it'll grow again in another couple of weeks. You could have another little cutting, which is quite good. We've got some French beans coming here, quite good, just starting. Some herbs, a bit of coriander, peppers and things like that. These are starting, the rest of these haven't as yet. Nice little row of cabbage there, that looks pretty good. And some more there. Multi-head, nothing there at all. And we're getting down into the bottom here. Got more dahlias down there, that's nothing's happening. Broad beans, nothing at all happening on the broad beans at the moment. What have we got on this one? Oh, this is runner bean, Scarlet Emperor. And can't see anything really happening there at the moment. As we carry on further down, these are tomatoes, little piccolos and nice little things, and some chilies and some peppers. Some more sweet peppers and some more peppers over there. Hot ones, this is hot peppers. Ho, ho, ho. That should be good. So canna lily, that's just starting to shoot away now. Nice little plant, a little bit behind. Last year it was about another 9 inches taller at this time of year. But I suppose you can't have everything. And obviously we've got a few more over here because we're starting to get full up at the moment now. We're doing some sunflowers, another little sunflowers, and I forgot what it was. Where does it say? There you go, Tenathonia. I forgot what it was now, I'll have to dig it up and have a look. Cut the stray lettuce seeds, they ended up in the potting benching inside after we'd finished putting the pots on, and these two just sprouted on their own, so they've got to be lettuce, I think. Sweet peas, more sweet peas, more sweet peas and sweet peas, which is quite good. Got some herbs growing, a bit of basil, a bit of rosemary, beetroots. Not happening on them, a lot happening on the beetroot front yet. Maybe it's a little bit dry for them, but you know, that one's quite wet and there's still nothing actually happening. Oh, there's a beetroot seed, yeah, so maybe put it in the ground a bit and it might grow. So that's basically a quick one for today. I think that's about it really. We're done. I did manage to get the tulips planted into that tub there, so when the dash finally die down, the tulips should be coming up, which is going to be nice actually. Bought some more reduced plants there, nice wallflowers, nice and smelly. But they'll be going in the front garden later. Well, thanks for watching everybody, and we'll see you in the next one.